Hi, welcome back. Today I have another video for you. It's a Parkside Cordless impact driver, PDSSA 20-Li A1. It's a bare unit without a battery and charger. If you need a battery and charger, they come separate. I have a 4-amp battery for my lawnmower, which I'm going to use to see if this thing works. So max torque is 180 Newton meters. Impact rate is for 0 to 3600 beats per minute. Rated no load rotation speed is 0 to 2800. It's a 1/4 inch tool. Comes with a square adapter 1/4 inch and a bit extension 50mm. So this is the box. Comes in a plastic sturdy box. I've already opened it before, and it's part of the X20V team, and basically interchangeable batteries. So you can't, sturdy box. So you've got your manual here, pretty basic manual. It's got a QR code if you want to read it online. This is the actual tool. It's an impact driver. This is where you put your bits in. So you put your bits in, pull on this black bit and lock it. So now it won't come out. Make sure this goes up again. Sometimes on tools like this, after a while, when you push it down, it doesn't want to come back up because it's greased up or stuck. There may be debris or dust stuck inside between here. So as it's new, it's not going to have that problem. Anyway, so we'll put our bit in. It's locked. You got reverse and forward buttons. You got a soft touch trigger. The harder you press, the faster it goes. You got a belt clip here. You can attach it to your belt. This way, just attach it to your belt and it'll stay there. Or if you want it stood up against your workbench, so attach it on a screw here, it'll stay like this. Got a 4-amp battery for my lawnmower, which uses the same battery. It's a Parkside X20V team. So just lock in. Let's see how much power we got. We've got more than 2 bars, so that's fine. As you can see, so slow press. It does it slowly. LED comes on there. The more you press, the faster it goes. Put it on reverse. Same thing. And once you turn it on, the LED stays on. It doesn't go off again till you take the battery out. But as soon as you put your battery in, it doesn't come on until you press the button. So I've got this tool to use for building work I'm doing soon. I'm going to post videos on that, mainly for drywall, plywood, stud partitioning. Put the screws in, makes my life easier rather than use a handheld screwdriver or drill. This one's a lot easier to use, and screws will go in faster. So yeah, I'll post a video another time of me using it and see how it goes. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.